How to fix Bluetooth not connecting on iPhone. Firstly, open Settings on your device. Now scroll down and look for the option Screen Time. If you cannot find the Screen Time option, you can simply go to the search bar on the top and type in Screen Time to search for it. Inside Screen Time, scroll down to the bottom. Here, click on the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go to the option Bluetooth Sharing. Here you will see two options, Allow Changes and Don't Allow Changes. Make sure that you have selected Allow Changes. Now go back to your previous screen. Scroll to the top of your settings and click on the option General. Inside General, you will see various others options. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the very bottom, click on Reset. Now select the first option, Reset All Settings. After this, you will need to enter your passcode. Enter your passcode correctly and select the option Reset All Settings at the bottom. After doing this much, make sure to give your device a quick restart, and by following these steps, your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.